You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? Let's learn how to pronounce these names once and for all correctly. If you want to learn more confusing Indian names, including from Sanskrit, that are confusing, can be confusing or mispronounced, stay tuned. I've got more for you. In India, it's generally pronounced as Ashwini. 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 Some pronounce it also as Ashwini. In English, therefore, Ashwini. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon and thanks for watching.